Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Work of HR before 1984, before setting up the HR ministry, what was the scenario? Just to recall, right way or wrong way, and be with me. According to my knowledge, before that period, 1984, or let us say before 1980, let's put it like this. What was the scenario? The work of the HR department: recruitment, retention, employees file, all were in the control of the HOD concerned. परचेज डिपार्टमेंट में 5 आदमी हैं, उनको इंटरव्यू करके परचेज का हेड, परचेज डिपार्टमेंट का आदमी कैंडिडेट को बुला लेगा, वही जो है बायोडाटा देख लेगा। रेफरेंसेस के थ्रू पहले ज़्यादा होते थे, इतने हमारे यहाँ पोर्टल की सुविधा नहीं हुआ करती थी 1980s एंड उसके पहले। और उसके बाद HOD लेकर के इंटरव्यू डायरेक्टर से अपॉइंट कर लेता था, उसको इंडक्शन भी कर देता था, उसको सब कर देता था, उससे काम भी शुरू करवाता था। और ये देखा जाता था कि दोनों में, HOD में और एम्प्लॉय में रिदम अच्छा बैठ जाता था। 1984 के बाद मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ HR डिपार्टमेंट सेट होने के बाद एक डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में क्रिएट करने के लिए कहा गया, दैट इज द HR डिपार्टमेंट, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंट। एंड sorry what to do, what is the profile of HR department? Then very smart way it was said that work of HR department is 3R. 3 R's. What is the 3 R's? That is the, I am sorry, please take care of yourself. 3 R, first R is the recruitment. HR डिपार्टमेंट बनेगा जो कि पूरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का इररिस्पेक्टिव टू डिपार्टमेंट ही विल लुक आफ्टर द रिक्रूटमेंट। आई एम सॉरी, HR डिपार्टमेंट रिक्रूटमेंट देखेगा, मतलब आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ मैन पावर, कॉलिंग ऑफ कैंडिडेट, लुकिंग फॉर CVs, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, प्री एंड पोस्ट अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर्स, लीगल पैरामीटर सेटिंग एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन। फर्स्ट R. सेकेंड R, रिटेनमेंट। HR क्या करेगा कंपनी में? क्या केवल फर्स्ट R के बेस पे ही 24 आवर्स या 8 आवर्स 9 आवर्स जो भी कंपनी में रहेगा, क्या वो सफिशियंट है कि फर्स्ट R ओनली रिक्रूटमेंट एंड दिस मच वर्क विल बी सफाइसिंग टू द HR डिपार्टमेंट टू प्रूव द वर्दीनेस? नो। देन द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ सेकेंड R कम। द सेकेंड R इज रिटेनमेंट। HR डिपार्टमेंट इररिस्पेक्टिव टू डिपार्टमेंट in the organization, they are the agent to retain the people. Retain the people means what? Create a good environment, create a good culture, create good communication model, create good instruction system. Again, this is part of communication, corporate communication. Create comfort to people. मेक ए पॉलिसी, कंपनी में कितने, व्हाट इज द रिपोर्टिंग सिस्टम, व्हाट इज द ग्रेस पीरियड, व्हाट इज द लीव, व्हेन यू कैन टेक, व्हेन यू कैन नॉट टेक, सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी। लोन सिस्टम, PF सिस्टम, ESIC सिस्टम, ग्रेचुटी सिस्टम, बोनस सिस्टम, मिनिमम वेज सिस्टम, and many more system related to the legal applicability. To my knowledge, it is 54 acts applicable on the HR department. So, make the healthy practice and HR department people are happy, saying that yes, HR department is helping to the people to retain. Otherwise, who will take care of the culture? साउथ का बंदा साउथ कल्चर से चल रहा है, नॉर्थ का बंदा नॉर्थ के कल्चर से चल रहा है, उड़ीसा का बंदा उड़ीसा के स्टाइल में चल रहा है, बिहार का बंदा बिहार की स्टाइल में चल रहा है. तो ऐसा नहीं चलेगा ना. इट कैन नॉट फंक्शन having the impact of the multiculture. You have to have the cosmetic culture. Mix all the culture and develop a culture which suits to the organization. भाई 9 बजे रिपोर्ट करना है, 5:30 बजे जाना है. So let it be from any corner of the country. Person has to report before 8:55 and they have to leave the organization by 5:30. That's very simple. So you will get these facilities. You need not to beg. Persons are happy. So second are retainment. And means आदमी रिक्रूट हो गया, आदमी को क्या फैसिलिटी मिलेगी, क्या फैसिलिटी नहीं मिलेगी, व्हाट आर द हैंड होल्ड्स, व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स, व्हाट आर द एक्टिविटीज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज हैविंग. And then third R comes retirement. Enjoying all these things, coming in the organization, dealt with the good. Second R, that is the retention policy. Persons come to the stage where he starts thinking, भाई अब तो मैं 55 का हो गया, अब मेरी एज 55 हो गई, अब मुझे रिटायर होना है. सो व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स आई विल बी गेटिंग? सो इंस्टेड ऑफ एम्प्लॉय कमिंग एंड wasting the time in the HR department, it should be effort of HR department to make some policy that persons who are going to be retired before the 6 month, HR department give the proper information, make the proper counseling, so that you are having all your inside question bubbling in your mind. Person is due for retirement in the 6th month or after 5 month, 4 month, and you call him or her and tell that these are the things. Because see, we are the social animal also. HR department cannot say, "Bhai, I will take care in the organization only." No, you have to take care their social. What happens in the social life of the person working in your organization? What happens in the personal life person working in your organization? And you are the knowledge-based domain. You means HR department is the knowledge-based domain. No one knows that I will get 20 lakhs gratuity or as per calculation, whichever is less. But you know, because you are process owner of this kind of the information. You know that this man will get retired, then his ESIC medical benefit will continue or not. If continues, then he will have different perception in the life. If it will not continue, then he will have the different kind of the negative perception. Provident fund, very important social responsibility related act. What kind of the settlement I will get from the Provident Fund department? Within how many days? The employee who has reached to this stage may be planning to marry his or her daughter, son, higher education, higher medical treatment to husband or to parent. So if you go through this kind of the phenomena provoking in the life in the person who is going to be retired, then you have to take care of the Baba. In the provident fund calculation, you will get 15 lakhs rupees. Over and above, you will get 10,000 rupees pension, which will be increasing on the increase of each DA. These information. You will get 20 lakhs settlement amount from the company. You will get immediately take the pen, pencil, rubber and whatever it is. Make the calculation that this is the basic salary divided by 26 into so and so number of years work, and what is coming? 17 lakhs. What is coming? 13 lakhs. What is coming? 8 lakhs. Give a rough clearance. बाबा आपका ग्रेचुटी 20 लाख नहीं मिलेगा, आपका ग्रेचुटी 8 लाख मिलेगा, आपका ग्रेचुटी 20 लाख नहीं मिलेगा, 12 लाख मिलेगा. Person makes all the things, assembles all the projected money, and he takes the plunge in the personal life to go ahead with the higher education, a good marriage, a good purchase of house, these kind of the things. So this is the way HR department work is the retention, retain the people and then retire the people. When retirement comes, very holistically you hug the person because he has given his life to your organization. Love the person, adore the person, and put the paper of settlement in front of him that, dear Mr. Das, this is your settlement. Actual. Before 4 months, 6 months, I had given you the rough figure. So there is the 10% more or 5% less. And this is the actual. So this is your settlement. Your PF paper form number 19 and 10B is ready. This is your settlement. In 60 days it will come to you. This much lakhs rupees. Out of gratuity you will get this much rupees by so and so. So he makes all his plan and then he proceeds. So you give the pleasure to the people. You become the nice boy, charming boy, a boy who take care of the people working the organization. And the third hour's responsibility you met. Thus, the work of the HR department principally, fundamentally is recruitment, retainment and retirement. And fourth, unretained, you should be well-wisher. You should create a very live and lively environment in the organization that person should stay. They love to stay. If people says that, oh, good organization, I am working in the organization, then the value of the HR department is met. And if you are crushing to people, if you are troubling the people, you are not at all HR department responsible personality. HR डिपार्टमेंट, गीता में कहा गया है कि सबसे बड़ा धर्म मानव धर्म होता है. मानव मानव की पूजा करे, मानव मानव की आवश्यकता बने, मानव मानव के तकलीफ को दूर करे. सबसे बड़ी यही सेवा है, सबसे बड़ी यही धर्म है. तो आप अदर वे अराउंड, you are responsible for a better bless doing the work of humanity with the human who are associated with you. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Namaskar.